Hi Heather. A couple of weeks ago you had emailed me this request to fill out the English template COT for the English the AM no sorry, AAT revision, and I used the one you sent me from before to fill out the new one, and I made the changes to Bible is Lit and one other little inconsistency that I saw, and now I'm over here and wondering, do I attach it here where it says program narrative and just like click other and write, what did you write? English template COT right here, and then upload the file here. I just want to make sure that that's a good place to put it. And also, I'm wondering if I need to submit the AAMs and BCTs, right? The AAMs, the articulation agreements for, it says down here that it wants, for this list here, it says it wants those articulation agreements, and for this list here, it says it wants the CSU baccalaureate level course list by department from, so these would be reports from ASSIST. So I don't know, do I need to do that? And if I do need to do that, I may need help with that. So who would I get help with getting those reports from ASSIST? Okay, thanks.